has 519 anymore. It's all static.
This includes Calhoun, Chambers, Cherokee, Clay, Cleburne,
This is bullcrap.
Jefferson, Randolph, St. Clair, Shelby, Talladega, and Tallapoosa counties. In Georgia, this includes Carroll County. This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. We now return to our normal programming.